So, how hard is your erection? Did you know that there are also grades for erection? How hard? Like for example, we have grade 1. Grade 1 erection is your penis is larger but not hard. Please tell your patients to pronounce it as penis, hindi yung penis. Kaya penis yan, plural sa penny. So it's penis. It's heater, not better. It's Jesus, not Jesus. It's legal, not legal. So it's penis. The penis is larger but not hard. Grade 2. The penis is hard but cannot penetrate. Grade 2. Grade 3. Grade 3, penis is hard, can penetrate, but not very hard. Grade 4, the penis is completely hard and fully rigid. Hard. Astig. Grade 4, completely hard, fully rigid. No? That's what we dream of. Yes. Be afraid. Be very afraid with grade 4 erection.